Here's our hero crocodile. Missing a large section of his tail, putting him over 17 feet in length. A true super croc. Right here in front of us now is the reason myself, my family and my team put our life on the line. This crocodile represents the reason why sport shooting, trophy hunting of the largest animals in the world must stop. Since the dawn of time, since guns were devised, people have gone out and targeted the largest croc, the largest elephant, the largest lion, tiger, shark, and it's decimated our wildlife. This animal, Super Croc, highlights the importance of these animals in our ecosystem. We don't want to see dwarfism. This animal is more important than all the other crocodiles in this entire river system. This is the croc that needs to live.